meager. Can't even read it. Oh, yeah, I can read that a little bit. Hey there, so I told you I was gonna do a review on my Sunex hex and Torx socket set. So we're gonna do that today, so let's get to it. So this is the set from Sunex. It's the 84-piece 3/8 drive master hex bit impact socket set. Say that fast a few times. Both metric and standard. It has not only shallow and long hex bits, it also has Torx, it has tamper resistant Torx, and it also has triple square bits, which I had never even heard of until I opened up this kit. So triple square bits look like this, kind of like hex, a little bit different on the head, okay? And these are used mostly in German vehicles, Audi, Mercedes, BMW, VW, Porsche, all use these, and Toyota and Land Cruiser, I think, use them as well. So hopefully that's focusing for you. The bit set I like. It keeps everything nice and neat. You come from a place, I'm not a mechanic, so you come from a place where you're dumping hex bits out, or you have the little folding hex bit set that's just difficult to use on anything. This is a nice set. It's all in a blow mold case. Not only are they painted on the front, what it is, I don't know if you can see that. They're painted and they're also stamped. They're stamped on the back. So if the paint were to wear off, it's stamped on the back as well. And it's labeled in the case. So here we have E5 through E8, E10, 11, 12, and 14. Torx, we go 20, 23, 27, 30, 40, 45, 47, 50, 55, and this is a E16. Torx, I know from when I had my Jeeps, a lot of the fittings in a Jeep are Torx, so that's handy to have. On my motorcycle, there's a lot of hex. So rather than dumping out and finding the right hex key, I can do this. So you'll see shallow hex from 4 millimeter all the way to 14, and from 3/16 to 5/8. In the long reach, 3/16 to 1/2 inch, and 4 millimeter to 12 millimeter. Then we get into the tamper resistant Torx, which have the hole in the center like that. So I guess if you were going to take apart a bathroom stall, good for you. Those we go 10, 15, 20, 25, 27, 30, 40, 45, 47, 50, and then stubby hex 5, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 17, 19. So it's easy to read. If I have my glasses, I should say. Well, this one I can read, 5/16. I can read the stamp on the back. The stamp on the back is a pretty decent size. Reading it, it's also stamped in the case, but reading it in there, yeah, my glasses make a huge difference. So down here for the triple square, we go M4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And then 1/4 inch hex, 5/16, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, and 3/4. Wow. So it's a pretty good set. It keeps everything organized. Again, I'll show you where I come from. This keeps things a lot neater. And I'm a case guy. I like to have everything in a case, nice and neat. So this does a good job of that. The case seems decent. You know, 2 snaps here. So it seems like it'll last. I like it, and I hope that this helped you out. My purpose is to help you make informed buying decisions. This is a winner for me. There will be a link in the description below, and it is an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you any more, but it does help me to make content on the channel. So I hope you took something good out of the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, or if you have any helpful suggestions down below. And we'll see you next time, right back here.